A very good morning. It's almost lunchtime. I think it's around 11 o'clock. I'm here at the Docklands. I'm just by opposite the Excel, which is literally there, guys. And I am behind the city airport here. Around here where the sun is shining that way because it's east. And we've got a little bit of canoeing going on here, guys. A little bit of canoeing. Lucy's whinging because she wants me to throw her ball. Come on, Lucy, say hello. There she is. Hi, Lucy. Where's your ball? Go and get your ball. Ouch, ouch. There she is. And a very good morning to you guys. I'm doing it through my phone so I can zoom in. I've had this Poco phone for about 7 years. I think 7 years. It's been a long time. When the big phones used to be around 700 quid, the big title Samsung phones and iPhones used to be around 700 quid. Now they're double the price. We're having a little bit of a takeaway picnic, me and Lucy here. Yeah, so we're just chucking the ball. We're going to see me mum. She lives that side, that direction. It's only like a 20-minute walk. Gives us a bit of exercise, really. And one of the planes is just taking off. And she's up in the air. Whoa! Where is she? Yes. Can you see her? No. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she's so impatient. Can you get the ball in? She don't stop. She literally don't stop. Whoa! Yeah, it's a beautiful day, really. Awesome. But it's just still got that chill in the air, you know. The wind here. I've still got my jacket on, just in case. I could have done it with a hoodie, actually, but you know, it's just a chill day. I felt like a lazy day today. Really done all the housework, washing up. And yeah, and they're doing a bit of sailing over there. If you can see it. Can you see it, guys? Lucy, do you mind? There you go. They're doing a bit of sailing over there. It's quite a nice area around here when the sun's out. It's beautiful. I'm just waiting for the extension over there to finish because they can open the little gangway plank, which you can walk all the way around, and you can come round right around, same where you are now. And it's quite a nice walk. I don't know what the distance is. So Lucy's so exhausted, really. She don't stop. You don't like the heat too much. Anyway, guys, and thank you so much for watching all my videos as well. Just like to say that. Leaving those likes. And you guys subscribing. Oh, Lucy, come on. Are you going to stop? You're going to chill out. Hey? You play tug of war, don't you? Yeah, wow. Yeah, go. Ready, steady, go. Yeah, oh, it's Saturday today, so everybody's chilling out. There's people behind me actually around there doing a bit of fishing. Let me just get up. Oh, straight my legs. I think I've got a bit of cramp on my leg. Sitting here throwing a ball for you, Lucy. Oh. Yeah, so let's get up a bit. See him there, all canoeing. Over there doing a bit of fishing. Nice bit of fishing there, guys. Yeah. Over there is a nice Chinese restaurant, guys. If you're ever around this way, the Chinese restaurant is very tasty. You get loads of Chinese going there, you know that's when it's nice. I've been there a couple of times. It's just above the average price. Chinese, but it is so tasty. Yoban, I can't pronounce it. It sounds like Yoban or something like that. Chinese restaurant. Very, very tasty. Oh, Lucy, come on. Right, okay guys, we'll see you on the next video. Find out if we'll go somewhere and make some more content for the channel. Okay, see you soon guys. Thank you for watching.